Hello everyone, this is Vaishali, an art educator. Today you are learning with me a simple landscape. So let's first draw the landscape. So here I am going to draw the house. First roof. Roof is always outside than the wall because it protects our house. So generally all the children are making the roof and walls together, but always roof is outside. Here we are going to draw tree, just a line, and here we are going to draw the levels on the land. Very simple landscape today we are going to draw. Here another tree will be there. We are just making the guidelines and the light is coming from here. So now let's start the painting. For the sky, first we are going to apply only plain water here because sky has a very different shades. So we are just going to apply water first, though we are using the water paints. So here we are using blue color and we are giving the effect of the clouds also by leaving the space. Now we are going to make a purple color here by mixing the red and the blue. We are getting the purple color and just we are giving little shades here in the sky with the water. We are blending it. Here also you can just add. Sometimes the natural flow is also very important. For the tree leaves we are using yellow color first, merging in little bit here in the blue color. Very soft strokes you are giving it, give the effect of this because tree is in the irregular shape. Mix it with the green in color. When the color is wet, that time only we are using the green color just to show the leaves here. And again I am taking the green color and mixing with the blue color to get the dark green color because always the shadow is near the bottom. You will get lot of good shades here in the tree and merge it little bit with the water. Now here above the roof we are showing the far away trees. So if the far away trees we are going to show, then it has to be little blur because the far away things will look blur and small. So here above the tree we are giving the little grayish blue color just to show the effect that there are some trees are also here above the roof. And after that you are going to merge little bit with the water to give the blur effect. Now the light is coming from this side, so here the light cannot reach. So here little dark color trees will be here comparatively this tree. So I am going to mix more blue color here and giving the tree effect. Okay. So because of the dark color, the roof is also enhancing. And in the tree there are the various shades of green. So we have to use the different shades of green also here to get the variation in the green color. And now this is the first wash. Now it coming to the land. After that we will complete the house. Now in the land we are also there are variation in the color of green. So first you can also show the here something blue yellow in color. And then little lighter in color, because this is near to your eyesight, so this part will be little darker than this part. So slowly we are just going to mix the color. And little darker in color. Mix the blue color in the green. And we are giving a very dark color. This is a very simple landscape. We are going to do it with watercolor. Because in the nature, as every time I am saying that there are lots of color. Somewhere brown also you can use. Here also, just to balance this color, this side. And always merge with the water. So light is coming from this side. So now we are completing the house. So here it will be light color. Here it will be a light color because light is coming from that side. Okay, and here this side the light will not fall. So here we are using little brown color. This is the first wash only. Okay. Now we are working with the shades. The roof shade falls here, so the wall is inside. We are giving the effect that wall is going inside. So little darker color we are using it here. And we are merging with only with the little water here. Okay. And the similar way this side also, below the roof, because we are showing that this is the inside part. And now the window and the door. Just show just the feeling of there is a window and door. Now when we are doing here also, little dark color has to be there, little more dark. Okay, and now take the purple color just to show little shadow on the roof. Red and the blue, and we are just showing some shadow here. We are keeping the white roof only. Now this part is also, the roof should be here should be shadow, so we are giving little dark tone here too. Okay, this is about the house. Now we are going to make a trunk and little leaves also here. For that we need little dark brown color, and simply we are going to make it very down to up, the line will be there, and just make the branches here. The similar way here also the branch will be here, but little thick line will be here, and again the branches will be here. Okay. This side you can show some fencing also. These are all comes under the finishing work. And if you want, you can also show some little effect of this bush and everything. Little dark tone here and there. Rough stroke has to be there here, because on the land there are so many things are there. Now we are taking one technique I am now showing you here. Take the flat brush and we are just going to split the color. So something is happening on the land, so many things, there are the stones, there are so many things, the dry leaves, so we can give the effect like this. So this is how you can complete your landscape. There are so many things also you can add it. Thank you for watching till the end of the video. You also do the experiment and connect with me on Shali's Art Palette. Hope that you like my video, so subscribe it and share with your friend. Thank you so much.